and get you some, come and get you some candy. Come and get you some, come and get you some candy. Come and get you some, come and get you some candy. Come and get you some, come and get you candy. Come and get you some, come and get you some candy. Come and get you some, come and get you some candy. Come and get you some, come and get.
Welcome back to Diva Styles. Let me first start off by saying that it has been forever since I've last done a video. I do apologize for that. I am going to try to do at least 2 videos a week. It may be more, but it's going to be at least 2 videos. But I did want to come on here real quick and show you my set of crochet braids that I did. Crochet, latch hook, some people even call them tree braids. And believe it or not, these are actually 3 weeks old, and they still look really nice to me. They're wearable still, and I just love them, love them, love them. As you can see, I did do like the bigger braids on the side, and then I got the smaller ones in the front just to give it like a more realistic look for when it's being worn down. And this time I went with the bobbi boss hair, the synthetic, and loved it. I usually use the free choice hair, but I don't know, I was trying something different. And believe it or not, this is only 1 pack of hair. Just 1 pack. I did my whole head off of 1 pack of hair. I did have to cut it in half though. Am I missing the pin? No, I put 4 pins in my hair. Well, guess that'll be something to find later. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like down. There's that bobby pin. And I haven't put any products on this at all since I've had it. Since I've had it in, I haven't put any products, no sprays, no grease, nothing. And to me, it just makes it look natural. But that's pretty much what it looks like. Like I said, I love it. And it's been in for 3 weeks. I just love it. I think it's so cute. This is the Bobbi Boss Dual Braid French Deep, and the color that I have in is a number 4. And I will be doing it again, so probably within the next couple of weeks I'm gonna do a tutorial, because I use just the beater to actually put the hair in. I don't use the latch hook needle. I can't fool with that thing. But yeah, I just wanted to come and share this with you because I love it. It took me about, I'll say about 5 hours, to do. And the reason why is because I had to braid my own hair. I recently just cut like all my hair off. When I say all my hair off, all my hair off. I cut like 18 inches of hair. Okay. And I did that, what month was that? I did that like in September. And it's probably about that long now. So it's just now getting to the length where I can braid it and, you know, add some hair to it. But I don't know what I was thinking when I cut it. I don't know, like you see others that cut their hair, you see how pretty it looks, and you be like, oh, I want to try it. Sometimes you shouldn't. Sometimes it's just best on that person. But anyways, I'll post some pictures of that too, so that'll be another video that I'll be posting up this week. But as always, you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll answer any and all questions. And I guess that's it for now, you guys. Yeah, I guess that's it. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.